Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by loading the textures and confirming alignment. This prevents distortions later. Once done, inspect UVs so each texture maps to the same UV space and make sure resolutions match, for example, 2048 x 2048. Then enable alpha or mask channels. You will need them to isolate the area to rotate. Next, create a temporary 1/2 opacity test layer to preview blending behavior. This first step establishes a stable baseline, so rotation changes affect only the intended region. Now you apply the rotation using the Blender's Rotate or Transform node. This is where control matters. You connect the node to the texture or to the mask so rotation affects only masked pixels, and then set the pivot, typically UV center or specific coordinates like 0, 5, 0. 5 for precise control. After that, input rotation degrees and test with values such as 45 degrees and 90 degrees, then refine in small increments. While rotating, watch seams and texture stretching. Adjust interpolation and filtering to preserve detail. Finish by blending the rotated texture into the base using appropriate blend mode and opacity. You want a natural transition. Once satisfied, bake or export the composite at the original resolution so UVs and texel density remain consistent. Make sure to inspect seams and normals in a preview viewport. If you see artifacts, check the pivot point and interpolation settings and rework the mask if needed. A quick troubleshooting tip: when artifacts persist, reset the transform and nudge the pivot slightly. That often fixes aliasing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.